Hello, hi. I'm just going to present my idea which is called split money banking for savings account. Nowadays in India we use UPI, and a lot of people started using UPI as their transaction mode to buy things, and they go for shopping, they go for uh, I mean, they go to petrol station, or they go to buy grocery, and they do ATM withdrawal sometimes. So how can we manage this expenditure and show a report to the user saying how much money he is spending every month based on the categories like grocery or petrol or ATM withdrawal, or it can be shopping, or it can be online shopping. So that was a basic idea. So how do customers uh, manage their money, and they want, if they want to set a limit and they want to know whether they're exceeding the expenditure. So if they have some amount in their mind, this is the limit I'm going to spend for this month. So how do they manage it? So the bank is trying to help the customer. So that was this basic idea, and based on this idea, I've just created a simple concept called split money banking for savings account. I will go through step by step, and I will show each screen, and I'll explain what I've done. And what exactly this idea, this I mean, what exactly this idea is going to solve the problem for the user. So now I'm going to click on this app called YB Bank. So I've just named it as U Bank for demo purpose. I'm just clicking on U Bank, and I'm just logging in. Now I'm in dashboard. So all the accounts like savings account, current account, and if he has a credit card, the user has credit card, he can add to this account, so that will be shown in the dashboard. Now I'm going to the savings account, which is the core concept where I'm trying to explain. So I'm going to click on manage account. So if you see the savings account, I mean, if you can see this my statement, send money, loans, pre-approved loans, manage facility, fixed deposits. So all these are part of many banks in India right nowadays. So now I'm trying to introduce a concept called split money banking. Like I'm saying, the user try splitting your savings account money into categories and track your spending habits. So I thought, okay, why don't we introduce this feature, which is to the user, and for the first time, and it should be more visible to the user. So I created a card, UI pattern card, using a UI pattern card, and I've created this card with two buttons. I like to know more and split money. So if the user wants to explore, I mean, what does the split money bank? What is this split money banking is all about, and how do I use it? So you can go directly to the I like to more know more section. So here I've explained how we can create a categories, and how we can manage the money and track the expenditure. So that's what I've written here. So basically, the idea is the bank has a AI system. It can automatically detect uh, the categories. Like, I mean, the if it can detect if it's an ATM withdrawal, or if you go to petrol station, it can detect, the AI system can detect when you swipe your card, it will detect that petrol station. Again, if you go to a grocery shop, it will automatically detect, I mean, detect which grocery shop it is. So automatically it will understand that, okay, this card is being swiped in grocery shop. So when you create this, the user creates a category, the money will be taken from that category. So that is the concept. So assuming that we have the bank as an AI system in place to track the outlets, like it can be petrol, or it can be a petrol outlet, or it can be a grocery outlet, or or it can be an online shopping. And again, even an ATM withdrawal can also be deducted by the AI system. That is artificial intelligence system. That's what that was the concept which I came up with. So that is what I've written here. So let's go back. Now the user wants to, okay, he has understand the split money banking. Now he wants to try it out. So the user can go and click on split money. I've explained him saying that we have created few categories. Now here you can see that I have created only one category as a default category. You can either enter the amount and start adding some more categories. And I'm also telling him that if the money is being exhausted, so if you say if I have entered some 10,000 rupees as the ATM withdrawal, and if he does more, if he does an ATM withdrawal more than 10,000, automatically it will be taken from the savings account. That limit is not going to be a hindrance for the user. He can go ahead and withdraw it, but the money will be taken directly from the savings account, and that will be reflected in the report saying that you have crossed the limit, and the money has been taken from a savings account directly, and the expenses have been the expenditure is more, whatever the limit you have set. So that I'll show you in the report section how I have created. Now I'm going to add some more categories. Now I'm creating petrol. For petrol, again I'm giving just 5,000 rupees. Add category. Now again I'm saying grocery. Grocery, I'm just giving 15,000. Add category. And again for again some, say, online shopping. All the online shopping. So how will the AI detect this? Based on the category label. If it's online shopping, automatically it will detect the online transactions, and then it will generate the report. I am setting a limit. The user. Imagine the user is setting a limit. So for online shopping, I'm saying 20,000. Add category. Sorry. Now again, the user can't add more amount that will exceed the savings account balance. So if we say if has entered here say some 2 lakh, okay. Say I've entered more than 2 lakh. Sorry, I've entered more than 2 lakh, 20 lakhs maybe. But the account savings account balance is 7 lakh 34,000. Okay. Now if I'm going to click on add category, the system will say that the amount you are trying to split into categories is exceeding than the balance present in your savings account. So I'm asking the system is telling the user, please enter a smaller amount. So I'm recording. So I'm just showing you how this is happening. Now again, I'm clicking add category to create another category called vegetable. Vegetables. Okay, vegetables some 4,000. That's add category. So this is the category I've created. Now the user can go ahead and save and activate the split money. And again, if you want to delete a category, you can also go and delete a category. So I'm again adding a category for you just to show how it's used. Now I'm saving and activating the split money feature. Now if you see here on the screen, in the savings account dashboard screen, the split money has been activated. Now we can if you want to deactivate, you can do it. You can deactivate. So the split money feature will not consider the category which you have created. So I just leave it as activated, and once the user starts using the is debit card or UPI as a payment method. So this is the download report section. So here I'm going to click on the but basically what I've done is the month of June and 2023 is the default date which I've given, and now I'm going to click on the generate report. So this is how the report is. So I've just for demo purpose I've given a dummy amount. So this is the limit of the user has set. ATM withdrawal limit is 12,500. Petrol outlet 2,000. So wherever you see the limit, if the limit is exceeded, the amount the limit has been exceeded, automatically the amount is being taken from the savings balance, and and it's shown to the user saying that you have overspent 1,000 rupees. And anyway, but it's not an hindrance for the user, and we are not stopping him to stopping him saying that you can't withdraw money, ATM withdrawal, because since he has set 12,500. So the system is allowing him to take withdraw money, but in the report we are showing that you have overspent, so that the user knows that okay, I have spent 1,000 rupees more, and again for petrol I have used 500 rupees more. So in grocery outlet I have set 5,000, 50, maybe sorry, more than 5,000 actually. So here I'm telling the user that you have spent 1,500 rupees more. So now I've received a notification here. So says here my I've created a loan also. Loans, if you want to create loans, that is also possible. So the ECS, the auto ACH, which is called automatic clearing house. So when the loan amount is being taken from your account, automatically if you have created a category for loans, so that the money will be taken from that category, from your savings account uh, actually, but the category will show that the money has been taken from your uh, from the category, and it will be recorded in the report. If you see here, even though he has created a category that's 2,000 as online shopping, you can do more online shopping, but in the report it will be shown that you have overspent, how much he has overspent, and what is the limit he has set for the month, and how much money he has overspent. So that was the idea actually. So and you can download the report. I mean, that was one thing. And again, if you see the notification here, right? So if you see the notification, this is how the notification you get. I mean, the user will get the, say for this loan amount, so 50,000 EMI amount has been deducted from your savings account. Split category loans. Say if the user has created loans as a category, then automatically it will show that, and it is deposited to HDFC loan bank, and your balance is 6,57,383. And again, if there is a withdrawal, ATM withdrawal, now we have set a ATM withdrawal as some 10,000 rupees. Now he has done 3,000 rupees. He has withdraw more than the limit, say 3,000 rupees as over spending. So the system warns him or tells him that ATM withdrawal has exceeded your monthly limit set in your split category ATM withdrawal. So the system is trying to engage with the user, telling him that you're spending more. So you have set a limit of 10,000, but you use you have exceeded the limit, and you have withdraw 3,000 rupees more. So we are educating the I mean the idea is to educate the user, tell him what kind of expenses he is doing, and help him to manage the money. So that is the concept. So uh, uh, so that's why I've created this screen, and basically this was the idea. So I've created this prototype using Figma and prototype. Thank you.